Hey guys, I want to show you my new X-Track 50 Pro. For mine, this is probably the best UHF handheld in the market. A couple of reasons. It has a replay feature, which I find invaluable on any UHF. Normally it's only been in the in-cars, but now you can get it on the handheld as well. Little replay button on the side there. You hit that and you will hear your last transmission, which is pretty damn cool. You've also got over 30 hours of standby on this. The batteries in these are absolutely magnificent. We've been traveling through the bush for days and days and have rarely even had to charge them up. That is a great feature. They're also pretty powerful. I mean, you're looking at a 5-watt unit, which is the most powerful legal handheld that you can actually run in the Australian market. They're waterproof, they're dustproof. What more do you want, honestly? So there you go, folks, the X-Track 50 Pro. If you're in need of a handheld, you won't go wrong with one of these.